Welcome to the ET380 Transistor Amplifier Lab video. Here's our Class A transistor amplifier circuit that we built in Multisim, and we're going to go ahead and test it. Okay, here's our Class A circuit, and it has a swamping resistors with a bypass. And let's go ahead and grab our Tektronix scope. Borrow a ground, and I'm going to use yellow as our output, and I'm going to use blue as our input. I'm going to move that back around a little bit and fire it up. And let's take a look at what our scope says. Alright, there's our input. Take that back. There's our input and our output. Class A's reproduce the signal very well. But unfortunately they're very inefficient. We're going to find that out here. Let's go ahead and go to measure. So channel 1, we're going to go peak to peak, 2.5, back. Channel 2, peak to peak. Alright, so essentially we're about 2.5 out and 1 in, so we have a gain of 2.5. Good. Here's a close-up of our oscilloscope screen from our Class A amplifier, and we have 1 volt in, 2.5 volts out, so we have a voltage gain of 2.5. Okay, here's our Class AB transistor amplifier, and what we've added is a couple diodes in here to a Class B in order to reduce or eliminate our crossover distortion. And this one is used in a lot of different devices because it's very efficient. Okay, here's our Class AB circuit. Let's add our Tektronix, borrow a ground. And let's put him over to our input voltage. And we'll use blue as our output voltage. We're going to change our VCC to 10. And we're going to put 8 volts in on this guy. And let's fire it up. And spread it out a little bit. And let's turn on our blue. And we're getting some clipping here, so let's go ahead and stop this. I'm going to go ahead and change this guy to 4. There we go. And let's go ahead and, they're right on top of each other, so let's separate them. Not that much. Okay, so let's go to measure. Go peak to peak. So we have 8 volts in. And let's go to channel 2, peak to peak. Okay, so we have 8 volts in and 8 volts out. Okay, let's do a single sequence. We can lock this in. And this is a current amplifier, and we have a gain of 1, and our signal is in sync. Okay, here's a close-up of our Class AB transistor amplifier of the oscilloscope, and we have 8 in, 8 out, a gain of 1, and it is in sync. This one looks correct.